Your tool's motor uses two carbon brushes to conduct electricity to the armature. The brushes conduct electricity to the armature through its commutator. The carbon brush will wear down over time from rubbing against the rotating commutator and will need to be replaced. Worn brushes can cause excessive sparks around the commutator. The sparks can also be caused by a damaged armature, so you'll want to carefully inspect both if sparks are present. Replacing the carbon brushes is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the motor cover. With the cover removed, I'll remove the first brush cap. With the cap removed, I can remove the brush from the holder. Now I can install the new brush. I align the brush with the brush holder and insert it into the holder. Then I align the tabs with the sides of the holder and compress the brush spring. Now I'll hold it in place while I replace the cap. And I'll thread the cap back into place. I want to be careful that I don't over tighten it or I can break the cap or the holder. And I'll repeat the same process for the second brush. And I'll finish up by replacing the motor cap. And that's all it takes to replace the carbon brushes on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.